Hello, boys and girls. It's Miss Lombardi again here with some tech time with Miss Lombardi. We have another tool we are going to be learning about today with Seesaw. It is called the Select tool. The Select tool is a tool that we can use to touch and move items on the screen if we want to move things in order or if we have to move things into a certain spot. It is a helpful tool for some of the activities that you will be doing. So I am going to teach you how to use that today. So boys and girls, you'll see some numbers on my screen, and the teacher wants me to move these numbers into counting order. So I need to move them. So we're going to use this tool right here. If you look down at the bottom, there's a little hand with a finger, okay, and you'll see it's touching a little box with circles around it. Okay, so if this tool was not selected, it would not be blue. Okay, so we want to make sure that it's blue, and then we know it is selected and ready to use. Around the number 4, I see these dots. That's how I know that that is the number that is selected and ready to move. You'll also notice this little plus sign arrow when I move it to a certain spot on the number 4. That's the arrow you want. That arrow is going to allow you to move the number somewhere on the screen. Okay, so the way I'm moving it right now is I am holding down the right side of my mouse, and the left side of my mouse, and I am touching and dragging it across the screen. So that's how you would do it if you were using a computer with a mouse. But if you have a tablet, you're going to use your finger. So all I have to do is touch that number, and I can drag it anywhere I'd like on the screen. So since the number 4 is the biggest number, I'm going to put it on the end. Okay, which one of these numbers is the smallest number? Which number do we say first when we count? 3, 1, or 2? That's right, it's the number 1. So I am going to make sure that this arrow is showing. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to move it to the first spot. Okay, I used my mouse to do that one. For the next numbers, I'm going to use my finger. Okay, so I'm going to think about what number comes next after the number 1. 1, 2. So I'm going to touch the number 2 and drag it next to number 1. So now it says 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how we count. So now I am ready to show this to my teacher. I'm going to click the green check mark up at the top right corner, and then it will show up on my journal. And there it is. And my teacher can check my work. All right, boys and girls, I hope this was super helpful for you. And so far you have learned how to use the drawing tool, the camera tool, the recording tool, and now you know how to use the select tool to move items around your screen. All right, boys and girls, we will practice this in the classroom and at home. Have a great day. Bye.